Looking to take your lead generation game to the next level? With Salesmate Chat Journey, you can proactively engage visitors and effortlessly capture more leads. Let's roll up our sleeves and dive into creating chat journeys step by step. Firstly, head over to the Chat Journey section from the left menu bar. Click on Create Chat Journey to begin crafting your masterpiece. Give it a catchy yet descriptive name to make it memorable and impactful. Now, let's talk about triggers. Triggers like Start Journey, Events, and New Conversations are powerful automation tools. Start Journey lets you initiate actions based on specific conditions, ensuring immediate attention to leads visiting page URLs. Events trigger tailored responses, providing personalized user experiences based on their interests or browsing activity. New conversations start journeys promptly when a chat is initiated, enhancing response times and customer satisfaction. But it doesn't stop there. Actions are the next step after a trigger is activated. They can be customized to suit your business needs, such as sending a message, assigning a task, or updating a record. These actions automate various tasks, making your workflow more efficient and productive. Set the stage by defining triggers that guide your chat journey. Plan a journey for your visitors through your website, ensuring every new lead is promptly contacted and properly managed, thus improving your chances of conversion. Consider implementing an extra check for UTM variables to better track and analyze leads visiting your website. With the audience behavior feature, you're in control of your chat flow experience. Whether it's greeting new visitors warmly or offering personalized assistance to returning contacts, you can customize interactions to fit each visitor's journey. Managing chat display behavior is crucial as your chat journey begins for visitors. Capture visitor details like name and email strategically when they scroll on your blog page and their mouse nears the top of the browser window. Offering discounts or assistance based on their actions and behaviors if a visitor spends a specified time on your website. Fine-tune your chat experience to engage with visitors at just the right moment. Actions offer extensive customization options for chat experiences, enabling personalized messaging to enhance visitor engagement. Incorporate personal touches like addressing visitors by name and offering tailored recommendations. Asking questions to your prospects serves multiple purposes, including gathering customer preferences, collecting feedback, qualifying leads, personalizing interactions, providing assistance. These questions enable businesses to tailor their offerings, improve customer experiences, and provide relevant assistance. Streamline your chat journey settings for maximum effectiveness. Set clear start and stop times. Define engagement periods and align bot activation with agent availability preferences. Keep track of journey progress to make timely adjustments for optimal performance. So, what are you waiting for? Let's craft some epic chat journeys together and elevate your lead generation game to new heights.